In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to enhance your video editing skills with a seamless glitch transition. CapCut is a versatile and user-friendly video editing app that has become increasingly popular for creating engaging content. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these steps will guide you through adding a unique touch to your videos. First things first, to get started, open the CapCut app. Once it's up and running, you'll want to kick off a new project. This is your blank canvas, offering you the freedom to craft your video masterpiece. Now, if you haven't already, select the video clips you want to work with. For this tutorial, add 2 clips side by side on the timeline. This is crucial because the transition will sit between these 2 clips, seamlessly blending them together to create a professional effect. Now that you have your clips lined up, let's make them flow together with style. Look to the upper left bar in CapCut and click on Transition. It's an essential tool that can elevate the quality of your video by ensuring that one scene smoothly passes into the next. Once you've clicked Transition, you'll want to apply it precisely at the point where the 2 clips meet. This is where the magic happens, as you'll introduce an effect that makes the switch from one clip to the next both engaging and visually appealing. Next, you'll need to choose a transition style, and for today's video, we'll be adding a glitch transition. This effect can add an edgy and modern flair to your content, perfect for a variety of creative projects. Take your time to select from the available glitch options, as each one has its unique vibe and can influence how your final video feels. After selecting the glitch effect that best fits your vision, it's time to apply it between your clips. But don't stop there. A critical step in this process is adjusting the duration of the transition. You'll want to modify it so that it aligns with the pacing of your overall video. Testing different durations will help you find the sweet spot which provides a smooth and natural motion that ties your clips together harmoniously. This step might take a bit of trial and error, so feel free to experiment until it feels just right. By following these steps, you've not only applied a transition, but also learned a technique to give your videos a distinctive edge. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different transitions and effects in CapCut to develop your own unique editing style. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.